La la la. La la la. La la la. La la la. Oh, my name is Mr. Duck-billed Dinosaur, and I'm waiting for the train. The train is late. I would be late for my meeting with all the other dinosaurs. Where's the train? Oh, I hear it coming. Choo choo, choo choo, choo choo, choo choo. All aboard? Where's the rest of the train? There's no wagons. Also, I'm too big for this train. I can't get in. What am I gonna do? Maybe I should just get on top. Don't get on top. This is for the train conductor. Oh, I'm sorry. What can I do? I need to take the train. I'm not sure, but you can't get in this train. It's too small. I'm getting in anyway. I said no, no, no. Oh! Police! Police! What's wrong? This dinosaur is too big for me. But I'm late. I have a meeting. What can he do, boys and girls? He needs a bigger vehicle to get to the meeting. Let's think. What are some ideas? Shout them at the TV screen. What's your first idea? And your second idea? Do you have a third idea? Those are all great ideas. Here's my idea. Why don't we get a big truck to take Mr. Dinosaur to the meeting? Boom, 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 boom. I am the animal truck. The animal truck. Does somebody need a ride? Yes, I need a ride. I'm late. Oh, thank goodness. Thank you, Mr. Policeman. That was a great idea. Now I'm going to keep going. Okay. Bye-bye. So, Mr. Dinosaur, where are you going? I am the animal truck. Oh, thank goodness you came. I have to go to the dinosaur meeting. Well, get on in. Okay. I am the animal truck, the animal truck, the animal truck. I am the animal truck taking the dinosaur to the meeting.